Hi, Bowman. Hasini. I'll explain you how the tea is produced in our factory to the best of my knowledge. 1,000 employees are working here. So 600 of them is ladies, women 400 men. Normally tea picking is a smooth work, so it's done by women, and the hard work like maintaining the plantation is the men. Okay. So Sri Lanka produces mainly three types of teas: white tea, green tea and black tea. In our factory, we produce white tea and black tea. Green tea is produced in a separate factory because the machines used to produce green tea cannot be accommodated in the same factory which we make black tea. Hard to maintain the machines. And white tea, we get only the tiny tea, the topmost part of the plant, and dry them outside in the hot morning sun. No machinery process, just drying out and packing. So inside the factory, it's only black tea. So now inside the box, it's empty. There's a huge fan at the end of the trough to blow the wind inside and make the tea leaves dry by 50%. Each line 2000 kilos. One line. After drying for 12 hours, it becomes 1000 kilos. So half of the weight is removed as moisture. Here we have 4 trucks. Another 4 trucks at the upstairs, altogether 8. So very big amount. The next process is the rolling, crushing. It's in the ground floor. The second process is the rolling, crushing. You can see there are 3 big round machines at the left hand side corner. So those are the rolling machines. There we crush and twist the tea leaves into small pieces. Each machine 250 kilos. After 20 minutes, we take the tea leaves to the cutting machine at the middle with a blade across. There we chop the tea leaves to make the powder. Again after 20 minutes, we take the tea leaves to this sieving machine over here. This machine works with a vibration. Due to the vibration, small and big particles are separated. Bigger particles we are cutting again. Recutting. Smaller particles we take them to the tables over there. And we just lay it on the tables for 3 hours for the natural fermentation process. Oxidation. Actually it's like when you get an apple, cut and leave it for some time, the color changes. It goes brown color. The same process happens there. Light green color tea leaves turn their color into dark brown color in the fermentation process. Only black tea is fermented, green tea, white tea is not fermented. So high caffeine in black tea, less caffeine in green tea and no caffeine in white tea. So health wise, white tea and green tea is the best. This is the dryer machine. The temperature of this machine is 125 Celsius. The capacity is 275 kilos. Here we use only firewood. No gas, no electricity for cooking. Because it is gas in the tea, brown color and black color particles. Brown is the stem, stalk. Black color is the leaf. So we need to separate the stems and the leaves because the stems gives a bitter taste to the tea. So in the next step, we are removing all the stem particles and the good tea is graded into different sizes. From bigger leaves till powder particles. Bigger the particle, lighter the tea, powder the particle, stronger the tea. So this machine is more than 100 years old. Still. The stems and the leaves. Stems we take them to the gardens again as natural compost, fertilizer, and the good tea leaves are taken to these machines with the rollers and made into different sizes. We have mainly 5 sizes, and finally we do the packing process. We do only the bulk packing, 50 kilo bulk packing. We don't do the tea bags or the smaller packages. So like 80% of our tea produced here is transported to Colombo tea auction for the export, and 20% we sell it in our shop. Like Lipton, Delma, Silonta, Sista, Twinings, Ages, Akbar, Kandy, all the branded companies, they buy our tea from the auction and they blend it with high quality and low quality teas. Add flavors, colorings, preservatives, they put their own brand name and sell it to other countries. So the 20% which we are selling here is unblended pure tea. Okay, so this is the entire blending process answer. Is it clear or do you have any questions? Okay, I hope you enjoyed the tea. And this is golden flower infused. It's a factory special blend. White tea, black tea mixed together with tea flower. So normally you cannot buy the tea with tea flowers in the local market. So it's a special blend. In Sri Lanka, is it clear? Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm done now. My explanation is over. Now you can taste a fresh cup of tea in the restaurant. Later you can buy some tea if you want.
Oh, we should have sat on that table. That's the tea. I'm not so.
This part.